大家好，我是汤米亚。Hello everyone, my name is Mia Teggett, and today I'll be talking about the character Sui. So as you can see here in our Hanzi Qiyuan, or character origin, um, Sui means harvest, year, can also mean age. It is also an ideographic character, so it is composed of the characters zhi for foot, bu for walk, and ge for axe. It kind of is referring to the passage of time. So, walking, stepping through time, and then also seasonal activities. So the use of ge, which means axe, might be referring to the harvest, which is so it is kind of reference to the calendar year or the harvest times when they were charting to figure out when was the best time. Like, okay, this is when we need to plant food, this is when we need to harvest food. Hence why the axe might be a part of that meaning. So here you can see some examples. You can see the axe, and it slowly starts to incorporate more and more here, and then eventually the simplified version. Here, once again, is a more linear version of it, so you can see how it's kind of grown and adjusted over time. And here for our 李氏汉仪 or historical meaning, like I said earlier, talking about astronomical observations, specifically of Jupiter's orbit. So they actually called Jupiter 水星, which is the ancient Chinese word for Jupiter. The reason why we specifically surrounded around Jupiter is because Jupiter's cycle or orbit was crucial for calendar planning. So Jupiter was going to be the one that was going to determine harvest times and things like that. So that's why Jupiter is kind of named after Sui. And then I also have some four character idioms here for us to look for. The first one is 岁不无语, which is time and tide, wait for no man. We also have 水旱桑油, which is a symbol of a lasting friendship, like the three durable plants. So those three durable plants are winter pine, bamboo, and meihua. And then the final one, if you can see it down here, is going to be 岁月峥嵘, which basically means, excuse me, extraordinary and eventful years. And here we have our 现代应用, or our modern application. So some examples of how the word 岁 is used. The first one is 岁初, which is New Year's Eve. We have 岁日, which is annual income. 岁时, which is seasons. We also have 岁数 or 酿岁, which mean years and age. We also have 岁修, which is annual repair. And on the right side, we have um, 千岁, which is 1,000 years. It can also be used to refer to like a duke. So it's kind of like Your Highness a little bit, but not as reverent as 10,000 years or 万岁, which is used to refer to the emperor. And it also means long live. So again, that idea of importance, many years, we want you to stay here for as long as you can. And then the final one is Tai Sui, which is the star god presiding over the year. Yeah, which can also mean, which can also reference Jupiter, as I was talking about earlier. But yeah, otherwise, that is the end of this presentation about Sui. And I will see you in the next video.